Colourful clouds of flowers in front of the house or on the balcony, or a fragrant herbal corner delight our senses. Richness of plant forms and colours triggers our creativity. Just reach for pots, soil, flowers and small tools to create your own magical corner, and that's it. What is more, the selection of pots and plants can be an expression of our taste and sense of style. Style and design are features that we can also take into account when choosing small care tools. They should be ergonomic, lightweight and functional, but they can also be elegant with a modern, interesting and harmonious shape. This type of tools for garden and potted plants treatment includes a hand fork, a trowel, a cultivator and a hoe. We can purchase a small set that includes a trowel and hand forks, or a larger one with all 4 elements. Their ergonomic oval handle-shaped hand makes our garden work more comfortable. These tools are properly balanced, which makes working with them extremely pleasant. Even though they are lightweight and look delicate, in fact they are very durable. Made of fiberglass composite, with matte coating that is pleasant to the touch and allows for a firm grip at the same time. There is also no problem with cleaning them. After finished work, it is just enough to clean and wipe them so they look brand new, and special holes enable easy storage. The hand forks are used to loosen the soil during planting or weeding. The strong tines with a longitudinal section have smooth edges. They will be safe for plants that are already planted in a bed or in a pot. The design makes the tool resistant to mechanical stress, so we can use it without fear. The trowel is used very often. We will reach over it when planting small plants in pots and in flower beds. It allows easy and convenient hole digging, as well as moving soil. Well-shaped trowel doesn't pour out the soil, and the work is clean and pleasant. A small cultivator helps to remove shallow entrenched weeds and prepare the soil for planting or sowing plants. We use it to aerate and loosen the soil in flower beds and larger pots. We can also use it as a small rake to take care of the surroundings of our plantings. The hoe will be irreplaceable with heavier and dense ground. It helps with weeding, which is a common care activity of every gardener. The combination with the hand fork makes it a very functional tool. Blue and beige pastel tools, referring to the elements of water and earth, will be useful in every garden, house or apartment. These tools were awarded with the IF Design Award and the Red Dot Award for their original appearance, design and comfort while using.